Hey guys, OpenAI also introduced ChatGPT Work, a new agent inside ChatGPT powered by Codex and GPT 5.6. They have introduced a new desktop app. Here you see on the left hand side you will find one drop down. If you click on that, one is Codex for developers and another one is this Work for getting work done. If I click on this Codex, you will find this ChatGPT Codex. If I click on this Work, you will find this ChatGPT Work. And here you see you can access all of the GPT 5.6 model like GPT 5.6 Luna and this Terra are available for the free users, and also you can change the effort to light, medium, high, extra high and ultra. And here you will find some of the plugins to work with this ChatGPT Work. Currently, the popular plugins are available like GitHub, browser, presentations, means PPT, spreadsheet, mean Excel, and PDF and document. And in this video, I will show you that how this ChatGPT Work actually works, and also I will test it with some of the prompts. I was thinking that what kind of test and what kind of prompt I can give to this ChatGPT Work. So that's why I asked ChatGPT, and here you see that for various areas like research and analysis, document creation, data analysis, presentation creation, and project planning, competitive analysis, writing and editing, automation, coding, end-to-end workflow. For all of this, they have given the ideas. And what I will do, I will take this idea, this analyze the attached sales data set, identify the trends, calculate monthly growth, and detect anomalies. Okay, so I will just copy this and here paste it. And also here you see they have this Excel spreadsheet plugin, so that's why I will select this spreadsheet, and also I will provide that Excel files from my desktop. So I will go to the download folder, and this is the file that I will select and provide that. Here for my task, I have selected the GPT 5.6 Terra Lite. So let's see this Terra Lite version capability, that what kind of dashboard or what kind of identification it can do with my Excel file. Now let's press enter. So this model is also pretty fast. Here you see I am using the spreadsheet workflow to inspect the workbook and calculate the month over month changes and check for the unusual values. It is doing its work. Let's wait for that. And on the right hand side here you see that it has opened the sources. The sources actually I have provided. And here you see this is the output. Analyzed 1500 records from this January 23 to 25, totaling this much in sales and 15,616 units. Sales are calculated from this total price, and here you see month-wise sales and MOM growth, and also anomalies detected. So monthly, here you see March 2023 is an unusually high sales month, and October 2023 is unusually low, and order 17 transactions exceeded the blah blah blah. So here you see that it has automatically detected from your Excel sheet. So like this you can make your own PPT, and you can make your PDF, and also other use cases that ChatGPT also share. Here you see write a comprehensive employee onboarding guide for a startup with 50 employee. This is the for document creation. And for the research analysis, research the electric vehicle market in India and prepare a 2-page report, blah blah blah. Okay, and also this project planning, create a detailed project plan for launching a SaaS product in 6 months. And also this comparative analysis, compare Notion, ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com, and Jira for 100% software company, which one is best. And also this is for the writing and editing, rewrite the attached technical document so it is understandable by non-technical executive while preserving all important information. And also this is the end-to-end workflow, like research this market and compare the top 5 product. So in this way you can use this ChatGPT Work for your daily work purpose. And as I told you, if you use this GPT 5.6 Terra Lite version also, then also you will get the final product, which is the or final output, which is also very great, because we know that 5.6 Terra is also better than 5.5 model. So as 5.5 was the best, then we can expect more best quality from this 5.6 Terra Lite for this kind of ChatGPT work related task. So I hope that you have got the idea that how it actually works. And please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and you also please test it, because for free user you will get some limit, usage limit inside ChatGPT desktop app. Please use it and let me know your experience with this ChatGPT Work in comment section.